Hi friends, welcome to another Java tutorial. Today we are going to learn about shell sort algorithm. I will walk you through the code step by step and explain how it works. So let's start. Now friends, let's create one method which is responsible for sorting the array using shell sort algorithm. So let's start. Write the code to create the method. Public static void. Name of the method is shell st. I'm taking name of the method as shell st. Okay. Let's pass the parameters to that method. Int array. Okay. Method body. Let's define the method body. Let's initialize one variable with name size to array dot length. Okay. So we have initialized one variable with name size here to array dot length. Okay. Now let's create for loop for int gap is equal to size divided by 2, where gap is greater than 0 and gap divided by equal to 2. Okay. For loop body. Let's take inner for loop for int I equal to gap I is less than size increment I incremented here. Okay. For loop body int current element equal to array index I. We have initialized current element I. We have initialized current element to array index I. Okay. Now let's take another variable j and create for loop using that variable j equal to I, where j is greater than equal to gap and array j minus gap. Okay. J minus gap is greater than current element. Okay. Press enter here and j minus equal to gap. Okay. Take the for loop body and write the code array array index j equal to array j minus gap. Okay, use semicolon here, and again array j initialized to current element, not initialize, array index j is equal to current element. Okay friends, save the code. Now friends, let's revise this method again. So what does this method? It is responsible for this method. Shell st is responsible for sorting an array using the shell sort algorithm. It starts by determining the size of the array with the variable size. Okay, this is our variable size. The algorithm uses a variable gap. This algorithm using the variable gap to determine intervals between elements being compared. Okay, it starts with a relatively large gap and gradually reduce it. And the outer for loop controls the gap reducing within half on each iteration, and the inner loop for performs an insertion sort on subarrays of the given gap, effectively sorting elements within those subarrays. Okay. Now friends, let's create an uh, one, one one extra method to print our sorted array. So let's do write code for that. Public static void print array. Pass the parameters int array. Okay. Method body int size equal to array dot length, and define one for loop here. For int I equal to 0, I is less than size I plus plus. This out control S. Array I plus, save the code, and again one in statement here. Okay, save the code. Now friends, let's go into main method and define one array. First of all, let's discuss about this print array method. The print array method is used to print the contents of an array. In the main method, okay, now we are going to write the code in main method. We are defining one array here, one unsorted array here. array elements are 12, 34, 54, 2 and 3. Okay, so we have defined here one unsorted array. Now we are going to sort this array using this shell st method. First of all, write the code. Write the code to print this unsorted array. Original array. Okay. And now call the method print array. Okay. And now call the method shell st. Shell st as our name of the array. Okay. Write T capital here. Save the code. And now let's write code to print our sorted array. Okay. Print array. So what we have done here, this is for printing the original array. This method is for printing the original array. Later on we call our shell st method here and print our and we are going to print our sorted array. So friends, let's run our code to get our original array, original unsorted array and sorted array. So friends, I will show you output. So friends, this is our output. Our original array was 12, 13, 34, 54, 2 and 3, and our sorted array is here 2, 3, 12, 34 and 54. So friends, in this way we can sort the unsorted array using the shell sort algorithm. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel CodeGT. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding, happy coding. Please help to grow my channel. Thank you once again.